try to fit one in there. But that I don't think you have any.
Okay, so what did you call this? A zinc bender?
Yes.
That's what I would call it.
It is.
All right, so what I did, there are 3 different places to put this zinc, and Olga says to put it in the middle one because we're doing a 1/4 inch. So I slid it in there and brought it out here. And I tightened it up with this lever that's on the end here. Tightened it up. And then we're going to go a little bit at a time. Is it tight enough, Olga?
Yeah. Keep going. You already went through this part, remember? So
Right.
that's why it's,
Oh, that's why it's not tight enough.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
so it's
All
getting
right.
your radius. Okay, stop, not all the way.
Stop. Okay.
Go a little bit more. Bring this in just a little bit.
Okay.
Right there. Now,
Right there.
tighten it.
Tighten it up. Is this tighter?
There.
Enough?
I
right.
usually turn it like a 1/4.
Ah, okay, 1/4.
Or
So a little
sometimes
at
I
a
go a
time.
half, depending how far I gotta go. So the next one,
Okay.
we'll just take it a little bit more.
All right. Enough?
More. Go more. There.
Okay.
The only problem is when you do that, you want to make sure, because they'll flatten it if you do too much.
Ah.
Okay.
This is
Now we
awesome.
go the other way.
So I'm tightening it a little
Tighten.
more.
There. Go like, yeah.
Just 1/4 at a time. Oh, this is awesome. Now I
going.
might have to go get one of these.
Go a little bit further.
A little bit further.
Right there.
All right, and then 1/4. This is fun.
And you get faster. I did.
Yeah. I'm not afraid of it.
Well, it sure doesn't kink it the way doing it by hand does.
When I was doing my dad's golf picture, I had to invest in this. There's just no way I could. It was 16 inches wide.
Wow.
Wow. Look at this becoming a circle.
I want to see how far we can take it. Keep going.
Okay. Oh, I should have gone more?
No, you're fine.
Okay.
But I would. I mean, you're just starting it until you get comfortable.
Wow, we're going to make a circle.
Yeah. Okay. Keep going. And I took the circumference measured by ×2, and that was my radius,
Okay.
and that worked perfect for me. So I didn't have but maybe 5 inches waist.
What, do we have to do math?
You're funny. Yeah, I love that.
All
Look
right.
at that, we came together.
You're not there.
I'm not
You
there.
gotta go further.
All
See
right.
that kink here
Yes.
and here?
Yes.
See, those gotta come in. Okay,
Stop.
there's where you, okay, do it again. No,
Oh, this.
Mhm.
Okay. I
a
go
little
all
bit
the way
more.
around.
yeah. Okay, you got it. No, keep going, keep going.
Okay.
Okay, you see this line's, you
Yeah.
have to look at it. It's bent there and
Yes.
it's bent there.
Yes.
You just gotta go a little bit on this.
Oh, just
A little bit. Right there. No, go the other way.
okay.
Okay. Now, oop, oop, oop.
Too far?
We're there. Okay. Go ahead. We're done.
We're done.
Open it.
How do you open it?
Other
Go
way.
the reverse. Keep going.
Look at what we made! I'm so excited. Guess what I want for Christmas?
And I remember you were advertising this little black saw, and I was looking at it and I thought, I have a bigger one, and I even tried it to cut this, and it wouldn't, you can't put this radius on that because you clamp it down, and so I was in a hurry, and I thought, I'm going to get one saw like him. I'm going to find it. It took me a month to find it. But
Really?
I found it.
The Mighty Mite?
No, the Termac.
Okay.
called it
The
Termac.
Jarmac.
Termac.
Yeah.
Yeah, I found who sells it, and I
Okay.
ordered one. And that's the saw you have to use for this, because you just go like this, right?
If you
saw
go to Harbor Freight Tools and order the Mighty Mite, you can only buy it on Harbor Freight Tools, but then you get it for about $30 or $40.
But you
and
can't cut this on the Mighty Mite.
But the Jarmac is the same.
with this,
No.
it is.
Oh, so
It
it's
is.
the
You
blade.
just have to put a Jarmac blade on the Mighty Mite.
No. The Mighty Mite has that clamp. If there's a way you can move that clamp out of the
No,
way.
that's the one that you push down that only has a 2-inch blade. The Mighty Mite is that saw
that
right
one.
there. Yeah.
Okay. My Jarmac looks just like yours.
Yeah. Well,
It's identical.
that's a Jarmac also, but the Mighty
Maybe
Mite
it
is what we
called the Mighty Mite.
well we recommend the Mighty Mite because it's so much cheaper.
No, the one I got, maybe it is called that. I just call it Jarmac.
Oh, cause yeah.
But
Well,
But
this
you
is
do have-
wonderful.
now you can cut it
And I
right
just cut
here.
it. Okay.
You can mark it.
Uh-huh.
I would mark it like right in here,
Okay.
and where it touches both, right here with a marker, and then
And then cut
you
it.
know where to cut it, and you got your.
Wow.
Sweet.
That is fun. Thank you. Thank you. I am excited about this tool. Well, sometimes I make fun of David for wanting all the newest tools. But once I learned how to use this with Olga, I had to have one. So I guess I can't make fun of him anymore because I think this tool is kind of amazing. So here's the unboxing of it. And David was saying, that's not it. It's not, the box isn't big enough. But I guess David has to put it together. Did you hear that? You have to put it together. Yeah. So there it is. I'm very excited. As a matter of fact, I even have a design in mind. We saw a design when we were in a restaurant the other day that just had circles around, and I think that we can make it with this.
Now with Olga's, she had just clamped it down to the edge of the table. That was really interesting. And then these driver wheels are really neat. And so the one that Jeannie had the zinc lined up on is this one in the middle. And you can see how it kind of grips the zinc with those little teeth.
Very cool. All right, so there you have it. That's what happens when you find a new tool. You just have to have one. So, okay. You guys can go and get the kind of tools that you like. And, you know, tools make it so much easier. We've done it by hand, and it works. It's fine. But I think...
And you don't have to have the tool.
No.
You know, that's an important part too.
Important part, you don't have to have it. You don't have to have every newest tool, but it's fun to get them. You know, it's fun to get new tools, new glass, all the things. So
Oh yeah, look at new glass.
we got some new glass.
We got a real good shipment of glass recently, and so the
Yeah. So
Okay.
so have fun making stained glass. It's just a wonderful either hobby, business, or just something to do for yourself and your friends and new windows that you have in your house.
Great wedding gifts.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, I've got a wedding this week that I'm taking one to. So have a wonderful day, and I encourage you to make stained glass. Watch our videos and give us a like or a follow. We really appreciate that. And we will see you next time.